I just got out of the shower, but last night there was a crazy storm, and this is something that I've been needing to do for a long time. See those branches that are by the window? This one is leaning against the window. They scrape the window all night. And look at that. That is that mulberry tree that Val and I started trimming. It's on the roof. Not good. Right, Stella? This is from Jordan, from my friend Shirin. That atrocious scratching sound is exactly what we hear all night long when it's stormy. Okay, one branch, I guess I should leave it outside. Okay, much better. At least it won't be scratching the window. I didn't want to cut them too short, not that I could reach, but because I want to be able to pull on them to cut them with like a proper chainsaw. Eventually that tree's coming down.